Hi, how are you doing today? My name is Sudesh Anand. I'm the founder of Lead Techno. This is an IT staffing and training firm. And welcome to Lead Techno. Thank you for visiting us. And if you're listening to this video, I'm sure it's very important for you. So let's talk about cloud data engineering, okay? And what is the scope of this career? And what are the prerequisites? And what are the technologies that you need to know? And is this career for you? Okay, these are the kind of questions are very important. I want to tell you that don't just go with your own forecast. And if you're in US and Canada, it's very different market, job market. There are careers which are demand in your home country might not be in demand here. So based on the region, I can tell you it's very important for you to talk to me and understand. So let's talk about data engineering career. So what are the prerequisites? It's very important that you need to be good with SQL and Python to start off with this career. You need to have a decent amount of experience with data sets. You could have worked as a data analyst, or usually I see some developers too. I find sometimes the software developer market is saturated. So I see a lot of developers moving into as a data engineers, which is great. And so yeah, like I said, SQL and Python are important skills you need to start off with. But let's talk about, what are we talking about cloud? Which cloud is it important? I do want to tell you, you cannot be a jack of all trades, all right? And I see that the people who speak to me about these careers are very passionate about number crunching, okay? And it's very important for you to understand, is this for you, right? Now, let me talk about cloud. When we talk about cloud, which cloud is in high demand? We're talking about AWS, we're talking about Azure, we're talking about GCP, right? So based on the market, the demand is different. Somebody's in US can go for AWS. If you are in UK, Azure market. In Canada, Azure market. If you're in Saudi, it's a AWS market. So if you're in India, you can be a multi-cloud, right? So it depends on the job market where you are, and I can guide you. So it's very important, you gotta be a cloud-centric data engineer. So what are the different kind of tools are there for you to become a data engineer today? Tools like Databricks, Snowflakes, Synapse, CI/CD, Scala, Spark, PySpark. There are different kind of tools which you need to know. What you have to understand is it's very important for you to have a hands-on lab knowledge of working on different data set to specialize and move in this role. The demand is so high, the supply is very, very low in this area. I've seen that in my staffing services. And guess what? We also provide training and mentorship. And we have a 15-week program, almost like 2.5 to 3 months, where we go 0 to 100 with our trainers who are working consultants. Most of my trainers are working consultants who have actual experience of working. Guess what? A lot of data engineers are right now upgrading them for a lot of AI-based certifications as well, like agentic AI and many more. I do want to tell you something. If you are looking to go into AI, data analysis, data engineering career is a very good place to go. I do want to tell you, people start as a data analyst and they branch out into data scientist role and data engineering role. It's very important for you to understand that. So these are the job roles, they branch out and they have different knowledge areas. And we are particularly discussing about cloud data engineering. I encourage you to attend one of our webinars, the info sessions, where market experts, industry experts are coming in and they're talking about the feasibility of your moving in. It's important for you to attend those sessions and ask us how to transition. Please go through our website, go through the curriculums, what you have mentioned there. Those are the tools you're going to learn hands-on. We're going to give you resume marketing services as well. And I usually give a turnaround time of 5 to 6 months, but most of our guys are getting jobs way before that. We're going to give you continuous learning. The chances of getting into a cloud data engineering career with us is very, very high. I'm not here to waste your time and money. I'm very passionate in what I do. My business is very organic. People get results and refer me. We have a huge referral market. I'll be more than glad to help you and see what we can do to get you into your dream career. Thank you so much for visiting us. Please reach out to us. Let's talk and see what we can do for you. And you have yourself a great day. Thank you.